Natasha, and I'm going to show you 3 vending machines. This one cost 50 cents. This one cost 25 cents. Yep, 25. And so does this one. So first let's show you this way how I made them. Let me just go around. Okay. So this one dispense is mini erasers. So the instruction says over here, put 25 cents, pull all the way out, which is this one, push till the tape hits the box, and then open the prize slot, and then enjoy, and then use it because it dispenses erasers. So let's just put our 25 cents in. Sometimes it doesn't come out. There we go. Okay. We got a lot. Let's just push it. Okay, we got a lot for like 25 cents. Okay, so, yep, that's it. So we got 4 erasers for 25 cents, but they're babies, so. This is what I got from that little brown box.
Good deal.
Okay, we're done with that one. Now let's move on to this one. Here we go. Now I have to fill it up, because I forgot to. So we're going to fill some Shopkins. Fill it up with some Shopkins. Okay, there we go. Really quickly. Alright, there we go. Okay. 25 cents. Okay, so the 25 cents hole is on the side, and sometimes it gets jammed in there, and if it gets jammed, you just use this little thing. I call it a key, and then push it. Use it to push it in. A little bit. There we go. And it just goes back in here. Then you slide this. Then you open the big prize and get your prizes. 2 Shopkins for 25 cents. And then the last one is my favorite. This one costs 50 cents though. So the coin slot is here this time, 50 cents. 1, 2. Okay, and then you come to the side and pull and push it back. So this little lever thing is on the top again here. And you get your prize. And what did I get? I made this little homemade meow bun. The crackling. And I forgot to show you the instructions for this one. It says, put 50 cents in coin slot, go to the side, pull and push, open the door, get your prize, and enjoy. So you can make any of these vending machines. My favorite was this one because I usually never make, I like push and pulls, and I like this one because it's the biggest one. It's the biggest one, and it can like put anything in this one, also anything, but it has to be small, so that one I enjoy. And what about you, cameraman?
I enjoy the big one.
This one, the one's
Yes.
crispy up. So thanks for watching. Bye.